Hi, this is a quick video to show you how you can use shortcuts and saved responses to more easily and quickly communicate with your chat visitors. So saved responses or canned responses, if you will, are a great idea because the reality is a lot of the initial questions that you receive from a potential consumer, they're very similar. So it makes sense to have some saved responses that you can just quickly pop in there to get back to that person quickly. So I'm going to show you where those live, how they work, and how you can go ahead and customize and create your own. First thing you want to do is, of course, open up the Ask Avenue app on your phone. It's going to take you to your main homepage here. You want to go ahead and tap on your profile photo in the top left-hand corner. That's going to pull up a menu, and you'll see in the middle there it says Shortcuts. Go ahead and tap on Shortcuts. So right off the bat, we've actually pre-populated some very popular and common ones that you can already use. For example, if you use the BRB shortcut, that's going to send that individual the message, hey, give me a few minutes and we'll get back to you shortly. So I encourage you to take a look through this list. You'll probably find several that you can start using right away. If you would like to customize any of these, you can certainly do so. Let's try to customize the BRB one here. You actually just tap on it, opens it up, and if you tap on the actual message there, it's going to pull up your keyboard. And look, you can just go ahead and edit anything accordingly. Just make sure you have no typos and whatnot. And then you clearly just need to click Save so you can customize that there. Okay? Hope that made sense there. So let's go ahead and show you how to add a new one. Maybe there's something you would like to create. Top right-hand corner, go ahead and click on New. And let's do something, first off, our shortcuts here, they always start with a backslash. So by default, that backslash is going to be there. And let's create one called Help. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on message, and what I want the help shortcut to say to that visitor is, sure, I can certainly help you with that. Okay, so whatever message I want to type in there, just make sure it looks good. Top right hand corner, go ahead and click Save. It'll take you back to that list, and if I scroll down, I will now see the new help shortcut there is included. So that's how you customize things. Pretty simple stuff. Let's go back and actually use one of these in a chat and also show you how you can access them. Okay, I'm just going to pull up an old chat that I have. Let's pull up Susan's here. Okay, and if I look down on the bottom, instead of pulling up the actual keyboard, this little box here with a little pen symbol, this is actually a shortcut to your shortcuts. So just go ahead and tap on that. It's going to pull up your list of shortcuts here, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap on Help. And you can see that that message is automatically populated here. All you need to do, of course, is click Send, and that will automatically be sent to Susan. I'm not going to do that right now because this was actually a real chat that I conducted, so I don't want to actually send her this message. So that's it. It really is that simple. I very much encourage you to set up and customize your shortcuts. I use them every day. I also use the chat tool regularly, and they're a real great time saver. So I hope that all made sense. If you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach us at any time at askavenue.com. Thanks so much.